In this video, we are going to see 5 hidden tools in Windows 11 settings you still might not know. First, clipboard history. Save multiple copies items instead of just the latest one. Click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click clipboard, or else the shortcut key is window key plus V key. You can turn it on and use it. Second, storage sense. Click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click storage settings. Under storage management, you have seen the storage sense. Automatically remove temporary files, cleaning the recycle bin, free up disk space without manual cleanup. Third, focus. Click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click focus. Reduce notification while you work, supports time focus session. Click it. You can set the duration and start focus session. Next, dynamic refresh rate. Click settings, click system settings, click display settings, hold on, click advanced display. Automatically switching refresh rate saves batteries while keeping scrolling smooth. Next, graphic settings. Click settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down, click graphic settings. In graphic settings, assign app to use the integrator or dedicated GPU. Turn on hardware acceleration GPU scheduling if supports. Improve gaming and creative app performance. So these are the 5 hidden tools in Windows 11 settings. Thank you.